Hello students and welcome to the video class of the chapter Mathematical Induction. Before discussing, we should concentrate our minds. So, let's concentrate our minds with doing Brahmanath. Shanti, 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 Swasta. Dear students, in last class we discussed what is mathematical induction and some problems like based on equality. And there was homework what? That is 6 questions were homework for you. Today we are going to discuss another type of the problem based on mathematical induction, that is what? Inequality form. What is inequality? If there is equal sign, that is equality. If there is less than or greater than, less than equal to or greater than equal to are called inequality. Now let us do problem based on inequality form. Now prove by method of induction of the following questions. Number 1, 2 to the power n. First question is what? 2 to the power n is greater than 2 to the power n plus 1, proved by method of induction. So, step 1 for proof of question 1, let p of n such that 2 to the power n greater than 2n plus 1. Condition is n greater than 2 and belongs to n. Here we cannot take n is equal to 1, cannot take n is equal to 2, because the condition is here n greater than 2. So, greater than 2 natural number what? 3. So, first step, this is step 1, this is step 1, now step 2, here we cannot put n is equal to 1 or 2, because the condition is what? N greater than 2. So, put n is equal to 3. Now, p of 3 is equal to what? P of 3 is equal so that is 2q greater than 2 into 3 plus 1, that is 8 greater than 7. True. P of 3 is true. So, now step 3, assume P of k is true for n is equal to k and k greater than 2. Now, P of k is equal to what? P of k is equal to what? Such that 2 to the power k greater than 2k plus 1, k condition is k greater than 2. K greater than 2. Now, we have to prove step 4. We have to prove P of k plus 1 is true. This is what? 2k, 2 to the power k greater than is equal to 2k plus 1. Okay, this is 2k plus 1. 2 to the power k, the focus portion is what? The focus portion is pk such that 2 to the power k greater than 2k plus 1. This is focused here, so this is repeat again. 2 2 to the power k greater than 2k plus 1. This is the focus person here. 2 to the k greater than 2k plus 1. Now we have to prove p of k plus 1 is true. So that is to prove 2 to the power k plus 1 greater than 2 to the power k plus 1 plus 1 or 2 to the power k plus 1 greater than 2k plus 3. This is required to prove. Now from this is suppose in equation 1, this is suppose what? In equation 1, from inequality 1, from inequality 1 we have 2 to the power k greater than 2k plus 1 greater than 2k plus 1. Now we have to prove that 2 to the power k plus 1 greater than 2k plus 3, that is multiplied both side by what? 2. Multiplied both side by 2. Multiply both sides by 2. So what happens here? That is 2 into 2 to the power k greater than is equal to greater than, that is 2 into what? 2 into that is what? 2 into 2k plus 1. That implies 2 to the power k plus 1, 2 to the power k plus 1 greater than here 4k plus 2. Suppose this is equation what? Suppose this is equation 2. Now we have to prove 2k greater than what? 2k plus 3. 2k greater than 2k plus 3, or we can write that is also that is this is equation what? This is equation 1. And now to prove if the concept is what? If a greater than b greater than c, then we can write a greater than c. Use this concept, this logic. 2k greater than what? 2k greater than 4k plus 2. 4k plus 2 greater than what? 2k plus 3. Also that is what? We can write 4k plus 2. 4k plus 2 greater than what? Greater than 2k plus 3. 4k plus 2 greater than equal to what? 4k plus 3. For k greater than 2. Suppose k is equal to 3 here. That is 12 plus 14, and put 3 here, 9. So it is satisfied. This is equation 3. Suppose this is equation 3. From equation 2 and 3, from inequation, not equation, from inequality 2 and 3, this is 2 to the power k plus, we apply this concept, a greater than b B greater than C implies A greater than C. So 2 to the power k plus 1 greater than 4k plus 2. 4k plus 2 greater than what? 2k plus 3. That implies what? 2 to the power k plus 1 greater than 2k plus 3 or k greater than 2. Therefore, P k plus 1 is true. P of k plus 1 is true. P of k plus 1 is true. Now conclusion, that is what? Step 5. Step 5 conclusion. Conclusion, P of 2, not 3, 2 here, P of 3. P of 3 is true, comma, P of k implies P of k plus 1 is true. Therefore, P of kn is true. P of n is true. Now, question number 2. Solution of question number 2, that is 2. Proof of question number 2. Let, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot dot up n less than equal to 1 by 8 into 2n plus 1 whole square for all n belongs to n. Let P of n such that 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot dot up to n less than 1 by 8 into 2n plus 1 whole square. Put, this is step 1, this is step 1. Step 2, here for all n, so put n is equal to 1. So first term is what? Left 1 less than, that is 1 by 8, 2 plus 1, that is 1 less than what? 1 less than, that is whole square. That is what? 3 square 9 by 8. This is true. Therefore, P of 1 is true. Now assume P of k. Step 3, assume P of k is true for n is equal to k. So that is P of k such that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot up to k less than 1 by 8 into 2k plus 1 whole square. We have to prove step number 4. This is step 4. We have to prove P of k plus 1 is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Here for n is equal to, now P of k plus 1 such that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot final last is what? K plus 1 and its previous is what? K less than 1 by 8, 2k, that is 2 into k plus 1 whole square, or we can write 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot up to k plus k plus 1 less than equal to 1 by 8, 2k plus 3 whole square. Same concept, if a less than b, this concept is what? If a less than b, b less than c, then we can implies a less than c. This logic is applied here, is applied here. Now we know that is what 1 from this is in equation 1 and this is what in equation 2. Suppose from 1 we can write from 1 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot up to k less than what, less than 1 by 8 2k plus 1 whole square. Now add k plus 1 both sides, adding k plus 1 on both sides, we get what, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot up to k plus 1 less than is equal to what, less than is equal to 1 by 8 2k plus 1 whole square, 2k plus 1 whole square plus k plus 1. Now we have to prove this greater than, this less than 2k plus 3. Now it is required to prove, that is here k plus 1. Suppose this is 3, suppose 3. It is required to prove, it is required to prove 1 by 8 2k plus 1 whole square plus k plus 1 less than what, 1 by 8 2k plus 3 whole square. So this is equal to now 1 by 8, this is equal to what this is equal to 2k plus 1 whole 3 whole square, that is 2k square 4 square plus 4k plus 1 that is what, whole divided by, that is what, taking LCM 8, that is 8k plus 8. Now this can be written as, now one thing here, that is what, now 1 by 8 into 2k plus 1 whole square plus k plus 1 is equal to what, take LCM here 8 4k square plus 4k plus 1 plus 8k plus 8. Now this is what, this is 4k plus here 4k plus 12k plus 9 by 8. So this is equal to what, this is equal to 1 by 8 into 2k, this is 4k square plus 3 whole square. Now replace this is suppose, so this is equivalent to, replace 1 by 8 2k plus 1 whole square plus k plus 1 is equal to 1 by 8 2k plus 3 whole square in inequality 3. Now this is what, this is equal to, now this is we get here, that is, now replace here 1 by 8 2k plus whole square plus k plus 1 is equal to 1 by 8 2k plus 3 whole square in inequality 3. Therefore what? That implies 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to dot dot k plus 1 less than 1 by 8 2k plus 3 whole square. Clear? Now conclusion is step 5. This is pk plus 1 is true. That implies p of k plus 1 is true. Conclusion is what? Conclusion is, what is conclusion here? That is p of 1 is true. P of k implies p of k plus 1 is true. Therefore p of n is true. This is the proof of question number 2. Now question number 3. Now proof of question number 3. Proof of question number 3. 2n plus 7 less than n plus 3 for all n. For all n belongs to n. Okay. So proof of question number 3. Proof of question number 3. Let p of step 1. Step 1. Let p of n such that 2n plus 7 less than n plus 3 whole square n belongs to n. Put step 2. Put n is equal to 1. Put n is equal to 1. Now p of 1, that is what? Now p of 1 such that is 2 plus 7 less than 1 plus 3 whole square. That implies 9 less than 6 true. That implies p1 is true. That implies p of 1 is true. Now step 3. Step 3. Assume. Step 3. Assume p of k is true for n is equal to k. For n is equal to k. So that implies what? That is 2k plus 7 less than k plus 3 whole square. This is suppose equation k, where k belongs to n. This is equation in equation 1, suppose n equal to 1. Now to prove step 4. Step 4. Now to prove p of k plus 1 is true. That is what? That is to prove what? 2 into k plus 1 plus 7 less than k plus 1 plus 1 whole k plus 1 plus 3 whole square. So 2k, that is, or 2k plus 9 less than k plus 4 whole square. To prove this is to prove it. Now step number 4 is what? This is equal to, now from 1 in equation, from inequality 1, this is inequality, since less than sign is present. If less than sign present, greater than sign present, less than equal to sign present, greater than equal to sign present, then we can say the expression is in inequality form. So From this we get 2k plus 7 less than k plus 3 whole square. Now the requirement is what? 2k plus 9. So add both sides 2 to get 2k plus 9. Adding both sides 2, we get 2k plus 9 less than k plus 3 whole square plus 2. Now it is required to prove this is supposed to. Now it is required to prove. Now it is required to prove. It is required to prove k plus 3 whole square plus 2 greater less than what? Less than k plus, this is k plus 4, k plus 4 whole square. Sorry, this is k plus 3. This is k plus 3. K plus 4, you have to prove, that is k plus 4. This is k plus 4, k plus 4 whole square. Now k plus 3 whole square plus 2 can be written as, that is equal to what? That is equal to k square plus 6k plus 9 plus 2. So this is equal to k square plus 6k plus 11. Now this can be written as, that is what is k plus 1 whole, k plus 4 whole square, that is what? K square plus what? 8k plus 16. This is the setting term. So it is what? K square plus 8k plus 16 minus here 2k and minus 5. So this is equal to what? K plus 4 whole square minus of 2k plus 5, minus of 2k plus 5. So this is what? This is greater than, this is less than what? K minus 4 whole square minus 2k. So but it is what? This is equal to what? Less than k plus. So it is here, that implies what? That implies what? K plus 3 whole square plus 2 is equal to k plus 4 whole square minus 2k plus 5. So this is equal to k plus 3 whole square plus 2 plus 2k plus 5 is equal to what? K plus 4 whole square. This term plus this term is equal to k plus 4 whole square. Obviously addition of this term is equal to k plus 4 whole square. Obviously that is k plus 3 whole square plus 2 less than k plus 4 whole square. One example for understanding, suppose 8 plus 2 is equal to what? 10. So 8 less than 10, 2 less than 10, we can write. Similarly here, this term plus another term is equal to k plus 4 whole square. Obviously the individual terms less than what? K plus 4 whole square. And this is equal to what? This is suppose equation 3. In equation 3, now Now from 2 and 3, here A less than B, the logic is what? The logic is if A less than B, B less than C, that implies we can write A less than C. So from inequalities 2 and 3, we get what? That is 2k plus 9 less than k plus 4 whole square. K plus 4 whole square, that implies p of k plus 1 is true. Then step number 5, conclusion. Step 5, conclusion. What is conclusion? Conclusion, p of 1 is true, comma, p of k implies p of k plus 1 is true, therefore Pn is true. Therefore Pn is true. Clear? This is, repeat again. I will repeat again. That is what? This is put n equal to 1, then assume pk, then to step 3 we have to prove pk plus 1 is true. That is what? 2k plus 9 plus 4 whole square is proved. This can be this is to prove. To prove it, to be prove it, we have to prove it. We have to prove it. Prove it. Now 2k from inequality 1, that is inequality 1, this 2k plus 7 less than k plus 3 whole square. To get 2k plus 9, here 2k plus 7 present, so add 2. Adding 2, then we get here, that is 2k plus 9 less than k plus 3 whole square plus 2. Now we have to prove, that is 2k k plus 3 whole square plus 2 also less than what? K plus 4. So now it is required. Now it is required to prove k plus 3 whole square plus 2 less than k plus 4 whole square. Now k plus 3 whole square plus 2 can be written as like this. What? Expand this, k plus k square plus 6a plus 11 and convert into k plus 4 whole square. So this is k square plus 6k plus 1. Here we can write plus 2k minus 2k, that is 11, 16 minus 5. So k minus 1 whole square minus 2k plus 5. So this is equal to what? Now k plus 3 whole square plus 2 is equal to k plus 4 whole square minus 2k. Now k plus 3 whole square plus 2 plus 2k plus 5 is equal to this k plus 4 whole square. Now sum of two terms is equal to what? Here k plus 4 whole square. Individual term must be less than what? K plus 4 whole square. So from inequality 2 and 3 we get, we apply this concept. If a less than b, b less than c, then a is also less than c. So we get here 2k plus 9 less than k plus 4 whole square implies pk plus 1 is true, and conclusion is what? P1 is true, comma pk implies pk plus 1 is true, therefore Pn is true. This is the solution of question number 3. Now solution of question number 4. Solution of question number 4, that is question number 4. Solution of, that is proof of question number 4. Step 1, let p of n such that 1 plus x to the power n greater than 1 plus nx, x greater than minus 1, n belongs to n. Step 2. Put n is equal to 1, that is what? 1 plus x greater than equal to 1 plus x. So here 1 plus x is equal to 1 plus x, that implies what? P of 1 is true for n x not equal to, for x greater than minus 1. Now assume pk. Step 3. Assume p of k plus 1 is true. Assume p of k is true for n is equal to k x greater than minus 1. So that is 1 plus x whole to the power k greater than is equal to what? 1 plus kx, provided x greater than minus 1, k belongs to n. This is suppose in equation 1. Step 4 we have to prove. We have to prove p of k plus 1 is true. That is equivalent to say that is 1 plus x to the power k plus 1 greater than is equal to 1 plus k plus 1 into x. This is required to prove. Now from inequality 1, that is 1 plus x to the power k, 1 plus x to the power k greater than is equal to 1 plus kx. Now it is required that multiplied both side by what? 1 plus x. Now multiplied both side by multiplying both sides by 1 plus we shall get, that is we get what? We get what? That is 1 plus x to the power k, 1 plus x into greater than is equal to 1 plus kx into 1 plus x. That is x plus 1 plus x is positive here, so the sign cannot be negative, the sign cannot be changed, because for x greater than minus 1 plus x here, that is what? 1 x greater than what? Minus 1, that is x plus 1 greater than 0. The symbol, the sign greater than equal to remains same it. Okay, so this implies that is 1 plus x whole to the power k plus 1 greater than is equal to 1 plus kx into 1 plus x. This is required to prove. This is required to prove. Now 1 plus kx into 1 plus x. Now 1 plus kx into 1 plus x. This can be written as 1 plus x plus kx plus what? K into x square. Clear? So this is what? One that implies 1 plus kx into 1 plus x is equal to what? 1 plus, take common here, that is, take x common here, that is k plus 1 into x plus kx square. Now this can be here 1 plus k plus 1 into x plus kx square less than, that is greater than equal to, greater than is equal to what? That is, if k is equal to 0, then it is what? 1 plus x. Here 1 plus x. Greater than equal to what? Here greater than minus 1, maybe 0 here. So this is equal to what? 1 plus k plus 1 into x. Okay. So this is equation, in equation what? In equation, this is in equation what? This is in equation 1, and this is what? In equation or inequality 2, and this is inequality 3. A greater than b, b greater than c, we can write a greater than c. From inequality 2 and 3, we get, that implies 1 plus x whole to the power k plus 1 greater than is equal to 1 plus k plus 1 into x. That implies p k plus 1, p of k plus 1 is true. Now conclusion, step 5. Conclusion. P of 1 is true, comma P of k implies P of k plus 1 is true. P of k plus 1 is true. Therefore, P of n is true. This is the solution and proof of question number 4. Now question number 5. Now solution of question number 5, that is proof of question number 5. Question number 5, proof of question 5. Step 1. Let P of n is such that 2 to the power n greater than n greater than equal to 1. Put step 2. Put n is equal to 1. So 2 to the power 1 greater than 1, it is true. That implies P of 1 is true. Assume, step 3, assume P of k is true. Assume P of k is true. That is 2 to the power k greater than what? K k belongs to natural number. They said this is n equal to 1. Now to prove step 4, we have to prove p of k plus 1 is true. P of k plus 1 is true. That is 1 square plus 2 square, that is what? That is 2 to the power k plus 1 greater than k plus 1. This is the aim to prove. Okay. So to be proved. Proved it. Now from inequality 1, now from step, this is step 4. Now from inequality 1, we have 2 to the power k greater than k for all k belongs to set of natural number n. But the requirement is what? 2 to the power k plus 1. So multiply both side by what? 2. Multiply both side by 2. If or we can do 2 to the k greater than k, and we can write here 2 greater than 1, then add 2k greater than k, 2 to the what? K greater than also 1, then adding this we get, this can be done in 2 method. That is what? From multiply here, multiply 2 by 2, multiply by 2 to inequality 1. So what is here? 2 into 2 to the power k greater than 2k for k belongs to n, and that is 2 to the power k plus 1 greater than what? 2k. Suppose inequality 2, this is inequality 2. Now 2k is always greater than what? K 1. 2k is always what? Here 2k means what? Here 2k is equal to what? K plus k. So k plus k greater than what? K plus 1. Now here 2k greater than what? K plus 1 greater than equal to k plus 1 for k greater than equal to 1. Suppose this is in equation 3, greater than equal to, is equal to. Okay. If the logic is, if A greater than B greater than equal to C, implies we can A greater than C. So from inequality 2 and 3, 2 to the power k plus 1 greater than k plus 1 for k greater than equal to 1. That implies p of k plus 1 is true. Now Step 5 is conclusion. Conclusion. P of 1 is true, comma, P of k implies P of k plus 1 is true. Therefore, P of n is also true. This is solution of question number 5. Now solution of question number 6. Dear students, this is homework for you. That is right here. This is homework for you. Follow the video and watch the video and solve these 4 questions. Prove that method of induction. This is homework for you. Thank you. Have a nice day.